Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on using the TDataSource object. The TDataSource serves as a bridge between dataset components and data-aware controls on a form. It simplifies the process of binding data to UI elements and ensures smooth interaction between the database and the user interface. Usage of TDataSource. Retrieve data from the form, we can access through the TDataSource component. By locating the desired data source component from the form using FindComponent function, we can access to all the fields contained in its associated dataset. Inside the form component of sales and purchase invoice, there are three data source components that you can use, are the DS.DocMaster, DS.Detail, and DS serial number. For the data source of the DocMaster, it allows you to access to the data contained within the header fields. Examples, it included fields of document date, customer code, address, etc. For the data source of the DocDetail, it allows you to access to the data contained within the detail or item fields. Examples, it included fields of item code, description, unit price, etc. For the data source of the serial number, it allows you to access to the serial number data contained within the quantity field for serialized product. Tutorial of using TDataSource. Continue from the last tutorial on the on-grid column value changed event. In this tutorial video, I will guide you on how to use the TDataSource object in the onBeforeSave event script to validate the subtotal amount calculations, such that this script can ensure the amount would be recorded correctly according to the formula. The formula for the subtotal is equals room rate per night times number of nights times number of rooms and minus the discount. The result of this script would achieve is that it can correct the amounts accidentally entered wrongly by the users, providing data integrity for the business transactions. While loop. Next, I'm going to explain an additional script, the while loop, before delving into our main function script. This while loop is used to iterate through all records in a dataset. Inside the loop, modifications are made to the current record, and the cursor is advanced to the next record of the dataset using .next. The loop continues until the cursor reaches the end of the dataset, which is indicated by the EOF, end of file condition. Main function. This main function consists of a while loop and the TDataSource. For this script execution, the document detail data source component will be located and assigned to D variable. After assigned to D variable, the D will then be able to access the dataset within itself. Position the dataset's cursor of D to the first item record. If the dataset's cursor is not EOF, continue the loop. Assigns dataset to be editable. At each row, compute their local amount and pass into the getAmountAfterDiscount function with the discount string information to get the amount after discount. After that, update the original unit price field value to the UDF price. Update the original quantity field value to the UDF quantity. And update the amount to the recalculated amount after discount. Positions the cursor of the dataset to next row and repeats the process until the cursor reaches the end of the dataset. Ending demo. In the end of the video, here is the demo of the result. For example, the price for a single bedroom is 450 ringgits per night. For a 3-night stay with 2 rooms, the total comes to 2,700 ringgits. If a discount of 200 ringgits is applied, the new total should be 2,500 ringgits. However, if the user accidentally re-enters the original amount of 2,700 ringgits and clicks the Save button, the system will update the total amount back to 2,500 ringgits based on the preset formula in the script, ensuring the data integrity of the business logic. Thank you for watching this video. See you